Guam Resource Recovery Partners contends it has a win-win solution to help the government's financial crisis and save the island's future water resources while saving taxpayers millions.
We would buy the Luzon landfill for about $102 million, and we would use that landfill for the ash.
The company may have lost its nearly decade-old legal battle to uphold the validity of an incinerator contract, but GRRP's Dave Sablan believes they can provide an affordable solution to the island's solid waste issues.
What that decision basically did for us, and this is the silver lining in it, is that it confirmed that the contract is okay except for that provision. So we began then with the Camacho administration at the time to renegotiate the contract. Basically just remove that illegal provision, replace it with something that's appropriate, and sign off on it again.
The Camacho administration never responded, and in 2011 the company filed suit in the Superior Court claiming breach of contract for the government's failure to go back and renegotiate a service contract to iron out the details of the relationship between the government, the company, and a waste-to-energy facility. Sablan says that legal challenge and the demand for $20 million would be dropped if the Calvo administration returns to the negotiating table and approves a new and improved service contract that would even involve the legislature in the review process.
What GRP is hoping to do, and trying to make this a win-win situation, is to buy that landfill from the government of Guam for how much it cost them to construct it, which is approximately $102 million.
GRRP intends to put out a private activity bond to buy the landfill, build a waste-to-energy facility, and pay off a judgment owed to landowners of the Dandan property that were recently awarded $30 million for condemnation of the land.
What GRP is proposing is that including that land cost, we can add that to the bond issuance as well. So that's roughly about another $30 million right there. So $130 million is being offered to the government in exchange for the Luzon landfill, which would also give us, basically clear title to the property.
Sablan says the government would receive $130 million to use as officials see fit, while the company would build its waste-to-energy facility and take the island's solid waste and turn it into ash, then giving it to the government to sell to ratepayers in the form of energy. GRRP would get the tipping fees, which Sablan maintains would be considerably less than what the receiver has proposed to charge. The plan, however, is also dependent on the Guam Environmental Protection Agency granting GRRP's landfill permit at Guatali. As we reported, their application was denied and is currently on appeal. A hearing is scheduled at the Guam EPA for January 23rd. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Indy Egan.